Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max, Apple's new 6.5-inch smartphone that builds on the iPhone X released in 2017. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to cut the wrapping off of the outside of the box. I try to avoid damaging the box and will tuck it away for a few years so that when I go to sell it, I can just put everything back in this box. Looking at the image choice on the front of the box reminds me of Apple trying to hide the presence of the cutout notch on the top of the screen as much as possible. I've been using the iPhone XS Max for a day now, and it's not a deal breaker, but I do notice its presence, and it would be nice if it were gone. As we open the box, a booklet with some very basic information sits on top, along with a card that contains the SIM card removal tool. Make sure and put the SIM card removal tool in a safe place so you don't have to bend up a paperclip to get your SIM card out someday. When you take your iPhone out of the box, it will have a plastic cover on both sides of it. Simply grab the pull tab and pull slowly to remove the plastic sheet protecting the device. Similar to other Plus devices, there are speaker holes drilled out along the bottom on each side of the Lightning port. Similar to the iPhone X, there is no home button. This means the commands to perform some familiar iPhone functions had to change. For example, instead of double pressing the home button to see open apps, you now have to swipe up from the lower right corner of the screen. Another change is how screenshots are taken. To take a screenshot on the iPhone X, iPhone XS, or iPhone XS Max, you have to press the power and volume up buttons at the same time. Also, removing the home button means that this device doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, so you'll have to get used to Face ID, which I was worried about, but it actually works really well on the iPhone XS Max. Also included in the box is the standard adapter for USB charging using an AC outlet. It's also worth noting that the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max do support wireless charging. You still get the standard issue Apple headphones that are still rocking the Lightning connector. One thing missing from the box this year that has been included since Apple ditched the 3.5mm audio jack is the Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. So hopefully you still have an old one. If you don't, you'll have to shell out $10 if you want to use headphones that have a 3.5mm audio jack with your device. And finally, the Lightning to USB charging cable you'll need to charge your device. I would imagine that at some point in the near future, Apple will ditch the Lightning port and switch to USB-C, which is what the MacBook product line uses. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.